The thing that I love about my work is actually that I don't call it work. My name is Dr. Ilan Shapiro. I'm a community pediatrician and also serve as Chief Health Correspondent and Medical Affairs Officer here in Altamed. I'm a practicing pediatrician in East LA. We serve absolutely all the children that need a better future, that need the tools, protection, and most importantly, prevention of things that we have in the community. Our energy, our thoughts, and absolutely everything that we do is to create that pathway for them to achieve their dreams. As a pediatrician, I can serve someone 18 years. I can try to guarantee at least 80 more years of health, wellness, and happiness. And that's why I ended up choosing pediatrics.
In a good doctor, they know you in a personal way. It makes you feel better, and it gives you a sense that he actually knows that you're a person and not just a patient.
My life growing up was directly involved with Mexico City. Born and raised there, my entire family has been there for a while. And I had the opportunity early on in my life to actually get involved with Boy Scouts and also with the Red Cross, specifically with disaster relief. When I started my medical career, I had the opportunity to be the liaison between Mexico and the Secretary of Health, and ended up at the WHO. And it was mesmerizing because I had the opportunity to see the little pueblitos in Mexico to all the way to Switzerland. All of those carried me to actually create my career and path. As a Mexican-American physician, I can tell you for sure that being from another country, it's on my shoulders and also in my heart. My entire family actually migrated to Mexico. I have seen in firsthand the problems with language, culture, and other things that we have when we're trying to achieve wellness and health. That's why my mission and actually giving back the opportunities that were given to my family has been working always with migrant communities and underserved populations. Why? Because I have seen the possibilities at first hand in my own skin, where if you have the proper health, the proper wellness, and the guidance to actually, and the kindness to actually be part of a process with a healthcare provider, with a system that actually takes care of you, you can achieve your dreams. Healthcare around our culture makes a huge difference. The outcomes could be similar, but the sentiment for my patients and also the smile from the abuelita, the grandmother, the mom, and my patients are awesome. I am worried about the medical costs right now. I have seen right now the opportunities and most importantly, the outcomes when Medicaid patients are taken care of. We actually, as a healthcare system, we reduce the cost, especially with community health clinics. We have the tools and opportunities to make a huge difference and also create wellness for our community. If we do not have those resources, that means that we have less doctors, less nurses. And that's why I answer the question with a lot of my friends and family members and people around the community, like, I don't have Medicaid. Why should I care? You should care because Medicaid touches absolutely the entire country. Medicaid is not just an insurance, it's a lifeline for the entire community. Thanks to the California Medical Association, our communities had the opportunity to have screenings and also protection during COVID times. And I understood the importance of actually getting involved. It's very important for physicians in California to consider joining the California Medical Association because there's no other way. Right now, we have seen a lot of things change. And if we're not in the table, we're the main dish. That's one of the most important things that we need to do. At the moment that we participate, we elevate our voices and we join what's actually happening, we can make a huge difference. I'm honored to work in East LA. It has been the cornerstone of so many communities to start their lives. I believe that this community that has multiple generations of people that have seen the better way to do things, the better way to communicate, the better way to create a community that serves absolutely everybody.